Hello all, I welcome you to episode number 30 of Walk the Stock. I'm Rupak and I present iFinStrats. What a day today. Whatever we saw yesterday is right coming back. So I can say we are staring at a V-shaped recovery from what happened yesterday to what we have witnessed today. Nifty closed about 735 points above, which is at 22,620, roughly 3.5% on the highs of the day. And Bank Nifty just went past 49,000 mark, closed at about 49,054, which is 2,126 points up today, which is 4.5% from what we saw yesterday. The VIX has, as the fear factor is kind of going down, so the VIX has taken a fall of about 29.4%, and it closed at 18.88 as of close of today. So I think we might be returning back to some kind of normalcy in the market. Although, having said that, the situation may remain volatile for a while, because unless and until we see a stable government coming back to the power, I think the markets might show some ups and some downs. So let's be very, very careful in trading the markets. Although sometimes trading volatility can work in our favor, but again, I just want to put this point across that let's exercise caution while we are trading the markets. In this situation, I've again come up with yet another stock for all of us to analyze, and the stock again is from the sector of household and personal products, and the stock is none other than Marico Ltd. Now, Marico, as today, in fact, all the sectors have kind of gone up, but this sector of FMCG is kind of showcasing some bullish momentum at the moment, and that's why I'm picking this stock today, Marico Ltd. The stock has been showing some good momentum in the last month or so. It has shown some momentum, and plus it has shown a positive breakout on the CPR R2 levels. The stock traded and closed today at about 645.5, which is 5% intraday up move. The stock has already made a lifetime high of 667.2, and it has broken a near-term resistance for the past 1 or 2 years, which we will see in the chart. But the stock is showcasing some good, promising momentum. The beta of the stock is fairly low, 0.04, and the market capitalization of the stock is sitting at about 83,500 crores. So without wasting any time, let's look at the technical analysis of Marico Ltd. So guys, we are on the monthly chart of Marico now, and as you can see, Marico basically had its earlier lifetime high of 607.70 rupees of 1st of October 2021, where my mouse is. This is the point. And from there, it has been resisting for the last about 2.5 years, and very, very good situation that it broke open in the month of June this year, now in this month, and it made a lifetime high of 667.20. So on a monthly basis, Marico has just broken in this month its previous lifetime high of 607, and it has gone up, and it is now showcasing that this resistance zone, which it was trading against in the last couple of years, has now turned out to be the support zone for the stock. So this is where it is taking support, and it is showing some promising trends. Now, looking at this, let's try to break it down into weekly chart and see where do we stand with respect to the weekly chart of Marico. So if you see in the last 4 weeks, Marico has been uh, trading right at the resistance zone of the previous times, and just this week, rather this month beginning, it has just about crossed over this this all-time previous resistance. So showcasing some amount of good trend, and I guess if we look at this chart on the daily basis, let's give it a shot on daily basis. So see, Marico today has really gone up by, as I said, about 5.5 or 5% plus, um, and closed on the highs of the day, which is very good news. It has actually got off from this one resistance zone, and second thing, it has got off from its previous so many days of consolidation, which is very good news for Marico. So I guess from here, uh, Marico has the potential to uh, keep going up and make some good, um, up moves. Looking at the way the stock has broken the previous resistance. Let's look at some more indicators to see where do we see Marico from the point of view of RSI, for example. So if you look at RSI has comfortably taken support on 60, and it is going upwards, which means that the stock has caught on a very good bullish momentum. Relative strength against Nifty, again, it's pretty good. So the stock is a big tick with respect to the way it is performing against Nifty. It's doing much better. From the directional movement index or ADX, both the blue line, the ADX line, which is the blue line, and the green line, which is the positive directional movement line, are way above the reference of 20. And to top it up, on balance volume, which is the cumulative volume, is also kind of showcasing good buying pressures, with the stock showing good up move on the pricing. So all in all, the story is good, and it's adding up for the stock, for Marico. And I think we we should think of, you know uh, keeping this stock in our radar and see if we want to really take this position. Now, Marico analysis definitely showcases that it is really at a good momentum, and we should be thinking of taking some position in this. But again, as I have always been saying, my analysis is just for educational purposes, and I absolutely I'm not really asking you to take any kind of trade in this unless you've done your own analysis, and unless you have spoken to your financial advisor. Kindly refrain from taking any such trades, but definitely understand and learn the way we look at these stocks and the way we analyze these stocks. So, if you feel this analysis is helping you for the past 30 days now, and you are happy with the way we are analyzing and picking stocks, I guess you should be liking, subscribing, and sharing our channel, and our studies with more of your friends and relatives and whoever you know. So I guess if you are happy with this, we will continue to do these analysis for one stock a day, and let's see how far we can take it, and continue showing you some bringing in front of you rather some good stocks in the times to come. Having said this, I'll take your leave today, and I'll definitely again see you tomorrow with yet another stock. But for now, goodbye, and we'll catch up tomorrow again.